Alright, welcome back to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. This is a dancehall conversation we're about to have. We're going to talk about dancehall music, but we're going to talk about Jahmiel and Chronic Law Boss. Alright? Law Boss and Jahmiel, aka Patriot Boss. What kind of thing that's gonna do, brethren? Eh? What kind of thing that gonna really do? Yo, you know, so the little clash the other day, right? Under this whole COVID-19 lockdown restrictions and everything, only did I give the people them a vibes, you know. Y'all don't understand the music. You don't understand the power of the music. You don't understand like how you too could have actually taken this out of great adversities, you know, man. Come this is how your greatness is defined. You know what I'm saying? It was in this moment. This is my opinion, you know. It was in this moment that Jahmiel and Chronic Law could have started run the place. If it's even for a little month or two, run the place, lock down the place. And I said that to y'all before, and give the people them enough tunes that I could play a whole track playlist back to back in the truck when I drive around. Imagine 10 songs a piece. One answer. One again, one answer. One again, one answer. Now I'm actually really starting to see the work ethic of Vybz Kartel and comparing it. I've always seen the work ethics of Kartel, but now I compare it to any other artist that's in the business that's aspiring to do great things. Because I'm pretty sure that Chronic Law don't want to be just a mediocre artist or just a one in the bucket artist. I'm sure he wants to be someone where his space is solidified in the game, and it's the same thing for Jahmiel. Me sure say him come for solidifying place in the game and even run the place. Enough of them I talk about them not want to run no place, you know. But that's what the fox says. When time to grape them, him can't catch a sweet grape them, him start call the grape them sour or dirty sour grape, cause him can't catch them. Someone start talking about them no want to run no place, them just good wish part them there. And that is probably because they're realizing how much work it actually takes to come run the place. Jahmiel and Chronic Law really had it going the other day, and they could have easily capitalized off of that. I see some little thing that are going on in there where Chronic Law even released song that didn't have nothing to do with the clash. But that's the intelligent thing to do. While eyes are on me, let me not focus on only this clash thing. Make me bam, drop a tune, and then bam, go right back to the clash, right? And the thing about that is a Kartel, me see do them something there, you know. In the middle of clashing, him take a break and drop song. Song when have nothing to do with the clash, and all a girl song or something. All eyes are on you right now, so you have to use that time to capitalize, and don't think say these opportunities will come back to you again, or don't think say the crowd will act the same way the next time this opportunity presents itself to you, because the next time the crowd are gonna say, try on man, me hear them already, and them did lame up the thing, so I'm not even paying no attention to them. But you see, if they get the thing a real run for money, then we'll have people that say the next time when I open the mouth, people that say, yo, them a pick it up back in, them a continue again, they're going at it again. That is why you have a Mavado and a Vybz Kartel today. Alright? Yes, Mavado and Vybz Kartel, them two icons will sing big song. But you must remember, Mavado and Vybz Kartel seized the moment and took it all the way to war, and them never ease up off of it. Same thing for Bounty and Beanie. The examples I'm showing you, you know what I'm saying? For them thing stretch out for years. But this whole couple of songs and stop and alright, me not sing no more. A man in a the clash, I declare say at the end of the clash. How can you be in a fight and declare that's the end of the fight? Me watch boxing, and me notice that them have a referee. And me notice that the referee is the one who has to say, stop it. Unless your side throw in the towel, the referee is the one who have to make the call, right? So how come them man here play boxer and referee at the same time? If you're in the fight, you're in the fight, and you fight until your corner says kill it, done, you get beat up too much, we have to save our reputation and run away and come back and fight another day. Or them say go all in. I just think they lost the opportunity to actually really do something right now. Now don't get me wrong, you know. Chronicler, him have him thing a go on. You know, him song them a hit. Boom bang. And you know Jahmiel as well. The other day I talked to a girl from Germany. That's why I said music, I can't bias when it comes to the music thing, because you see, this music here called dancehall, you see, is way bigger than all of us. This music here called dancehall is a special machine that needs to be protected as well. So the other day I talked to a girl from Germany that I knew from Germany when I was stationed in Germany, and she had played Jahmiel music in the background. And I said, you know that's Jamaican music, right? And she said, yeah, it's Jahmiel. A German girl, you know, she said, yeah, it's Jahmiel. I said, what you know about Jahmiel? She said, what you know about Jahmiel? I like all his songs. I have all his music. So you saw me, I said, the man, them music reaching far and wide. Let's not be biased. But they have time to capitalize on things more in this little clash here, and them just make the thing just go to waste. That's how I feel. So you know me, I ask the people them right now, how do you feel about the clash between Jahmiel and Chronicler? Do you think that they should have continued clashing, keep up the pace, or do you think that they should have just left it right where they did leave it at, and it was good that's all? I know me hear some people that say, yo, let me lay them out the thing now, yeah, man. The thing no fun no more. No. But this, I think that's the short attention span of the new generation. Like, nowadays, man can't even watch TV for more than 20 minutes because the TV have 200 channels on it. So if you watch something and you're bored after 2 minutes, you know, switch to our next channel, switch to our next channel, switch to our next channel. Nobody has time to stay focused on the outcome of the thing. It's like them want to see instant disaster, and if it's not instant disaster, them just, you know me I say, them want to kill the thing. But me I tell the audience member them say this, if you love dancehall music, don't do it. Don't do it. Give your artists them a chance for build tune and respond and support your team. And when time your team not doing so good because the other team, the opposition, drop a bomb on them, you have to come out and say, yo, my artist, you have to go answer back now, you know, and come stronger and that, you know, forward better than that, you know, because you hear the banger the way him just drop. It's not for them team me saying about me rate him to the max, dog. I want banger that. We can't even say me like the music where I come from the next team because I sang them. But every song the opposition drop, a man I say, it weak. Every song can't weak, brother. Every song cannot be weak, else there is no fight then. And if you say every song is weak, then you yourself are helping to kill the clash culture in a dancehall. You have to strengthen up the strong song them, and you have to make the artists them know when time some of them not so strong. You see what I say? And that's how we build the thing. This is how we're going to end up with tune after tune after tune after tune after tune. Right now, I'm just disappointed. So I am appealing to Jahmiel and I am appealing to Chronicler to pick this up back right which part it left off and go the full 100. You see it? Go the full 100. When that stop, anything else after that is supposed to be a confrontation on stage. I'm not talking about on stage as in on stage with Mr. Winford Williams. I'm talking about on stage, on a live stage. You know, when them free up the place again, and we can go back outside, because outside start keep again, and them thing there, and we're not under so much precautions and thing, and then dancehall I got nice up again, outer road. Then we can talk about meeting on a stage and settle it deso and see who are the real man deso. And but y'all can build those tunes right now. So when time y'all reel them up, you not learn from Cartel them. You not learn from Cartel. You know so when time Cartel and Mavado did I go tune for tune. Although Mavado say about 100. level, cause he still had tune. You see, so to go and build up the catalog, man, and don't kill off the thing like that. That's all I have to say today here, sir. Talk the truth, people. That's all flow. I'm out. Peace. Promotions, promotions, promotions. It's all about promotions, okay? Some people don't want to spend a little money to promote their business, but that's on you. Everybody knows you have to spend the money to make money, and I am doing promotions. And if you're willing to spend a little bit of money, man, I'm broke your neck up, man, I'm broke your foot neither, man, I'm kick away your foot. We can all eat. There's enough out here for all of us. Understand? I just have designed a way to help you to get it. I paid for this platform through sleepless nights, through reading a whole lot of tutorials, through trial and error, through putting in days and weeks and months and years to build my platform so I can now promote your product on my platform. So, if you have a business and your business in any way has anything to do with the Caribbean diaspora or the Caribbean community, whether it's in Canada, England, the United States of America, or elsewhere in the world, then you might want to link up with SoFlo TV and have me do some promotions for you. Send me a note at soflotv@gmail.com, put promo in the heading, and then I will get back to you with my rates, and I will get back to you with the 2 smoking packages I have available. Whichever one you pick, you're still going to end up winning. I will even gear you towards the one that's better for you. The 2 of them cost the same anyway, but they're 2 very different packages. Promotion, promotion, promotion. I hate seeing people open their business and they have something good, great idea, but no promotion and the business dies. So whether it's, I don't know, whether it's your stripper or your escort service, your masseuse, whether you own a barber shop, a beauty salon, whether it's a YouTube channel or any other website, or you a real estate person, realtor, whatever it is that you do, I can definitely get some promotion done for you. Let me tell you a story real quick. Check this out. When I started this channel, right, I realized that people responded to money. So what I had to do, yes, money. So what I had to do, for those who have been on this channel for a long time, they will tell you, yeah, I remember when SoFlo used to give away $100 every weekend. I did $100 every weekend for 6 months straight. I want you to do the maths to that. That's promotion, okay? And I was giving that away to engage my audience, not to only let people know, say, here's $100, but I was giving it away so people could pay attention to my material, because I started out YouTube with no subscribers at all. After a while, the people realized that, yo, the material that he has over there is great. I'm going to subscribe whether he giving away $100 or not. And they subscribed, and they subscribed, and they subscribed, and subscribed, and subscribed. And now we're over 200,000 subscribers strong and growing still at a rapid pace. So when I say spend a little money to make a lot of money, believe me, I know what I'm talking about. Promotions, promotions, promotions. Hit me up. I got you.